In terms of visibility, over the last hour or so, we've had everything from really big, fluffy snowflakes and now just a little bit of drizzle as we see that transition that's starting to work its way in. Here we have sleet over at Georgetown Harbor. This is from our camera atop the Watergate Hotel. So conditions are going to slowly improve in terms of temperatures rising, and we're going to see a transition over to all rain as opposed to all snow. Here's our latest in terms of the winter storm warning until 7 o'clock tonight. All the areas that are shaded in pink inside and around the Beltway, southern Maryland over into Stafford, King George, and Spotsylvania, a winter weather advisory. Temperatures are beginning to rebound, now at 30 degrees in Leesburg, same in Manassas, right at the freezing mark in Quantico and Fredericksburg. Once we see those temperatures increase, we're going to see that transition to occur a little bit faster. Notice how we're mainly blue. That means snow around the Capital Beltway, but head farther to the south down 95, and that's where we have pinks and purples mixing in, even some green, and that's sleet changing over to rain. If you're in the district right now, Woodley Park or over toward Brookland or Trinidad area, still looking at light snow this hour. Alexandria over toward Reagan National Airport, a little bit of snow mixing in with some sleet now. Off toward the north and west of us, Hagerstown and Boonesboro, snow beginning to lighten up just a little bit. Montgomery County, Gaithersburg, now lighter snow, but head over toward Rockville, may find a little bit more moderate activity, but it's not going to last a whole lot longer as we're looking at that warmer air working its way closer to the surface, and that's going to allow us to transition. Here's the Bay Bridge right over here towards Stevensville. Annapolis now looking at moderate snowfall, but off toward the south, that's where we have that mix over, that changeover. Southern Maryland, Allen's Fresh over toward Colonial Beach, and then Bowling Green now seeing rain. Record snowfall so far at Dulles International Airport with over 4 inches. Not as impressive over at Reagan National Airport. Here's our futurecast moving through the afternoon hours. Like I said, could see that lull come 4 or 5 o'clock, begins to fill back in by 6 p.m. And by 8, 9 o'clock tonight, could be looking at some moderate to heavy rain northern Montgomery County into Frederick County before all of this finally moves on out of here and our temperatures rebound by early tomorrow morning into the 40s. Hour by hour for today, wintry mix transitioning over to rain. And then tonight, could see dense fog, 33 to 38 degrees for your temperature range. Tomorrow, a brighter day and a mild day at that. Temperatures will be in the middle 50s. Let's end this on a great note for you. Here's our 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7. Once we get through the nastiness of today, tomorrow looks good. But look at Sunday. Fast forward to Sunday and around 70 degrees for a daytime high. It's a one-day special, but we're going to take it.
Yes, we will. All right. Thanks, Steve. Our Stormwatch 7 team coverage continues right now in Howard County. Kathleen Cairns from our sister station in Baltimore is live from Columbia with the conditions there. Good afternoon, Kathleen.
I'm in western Howard County, where we've gotten about 3 to 4 inches of snow in the past 2 hours. And I want to show you how much accumulation has happened here. Just check out this much snow on just one car. This was built up in about 2 hours. And now we're going to take a look at Route 32 up here. You can see these plows going by right now, and they have been going by pretty consistently every 15 minutes or so. This is probably one of the better roads here in Howard County. Again, this is Route 32 in western Howard County, just north of Dayton. And the road is still snow covered despite that attempt to try to get this road cleared nonstop. Now that car is moving pretty fast, but any of the side streets, very different story. Snow covered and unable to be passable in some of the country roads, some of the locations out here in western Howard County. Earlier today, we were on Interstate 70. There was a tractor trailer that was stuck. It was unable to move. Traffic was trying to get by, and it had to keep digging itself out in order to get out of that situation. We've also seen some cars spun out on Route 32 as we've traveled. No injuries, though, reported, but tough conditions here in Howard County, where we see about 4 inches of snow so far. We just talked to some road crews who say they are continuing their plow and salt operation on the streets, and they say the tactics may change drastically around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, when they are expecting some of that freezing rain to come in. And of course, that will change the scenario here as well. Reporting live in Howard County, Kathleen Cairns.
All right, Kathleen, thank you. Well, so many of you are safe at home enjoying this snow day, and it seems like animals are loving the snow just as much. Check out Luna here enjoying the snow day wearing earmuffs in the district. Laurel's Ginger the cat, clearly a big fan of meteorologist Eileen Whalen. Here she is checking out this morning's forecast. Of course, stay with us. We are live from D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. We have you covered as this snowstorm continues.
Get new floors during Empire Today's gigantic 75% off sale. That's carpet, laminate, and even hardwood 75% off. Empire makes getting beautiful new floors easy. See samples in your home, get a free estimate, and have your floors professionally installed. Update your floors with Empire and get 75% off carpet, laminate, and hardwood. Schedule now. 800